Use this coupon code to get a good discount, and also check the description box for further details. If you are a male and if you are losing hair in patches or if your hairline is receding, I would advise you to watch this video. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nair Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, so today I have with me a hair growth serum from the brand Pilgrim, and this is the Redensyl and Anagen Advanced Hair Growth Serum. Redensyl and Anagen may sound a little out of syllabus topics, but no, these two ingredients are very important for healthy hair growth. Before getting into the product details, let's know a little about this brand Pilgrim. So Pilgrim is an Indian brand, and the ingredients they use in their products are globally sourced, and also products of this brand are 100% vegan. They have been tested by family and friends. They are cruelty free, no parabens and no sulfates. Pilgrim avoids the 20 toxic chemicals in their products, and also the products are FDA approved. Also, I would like to say one thing, that Pilgrim has recently launched 5 serums, one being this Redensyl and Anagen hair growth serum. The other 4 serums are skin clarifying serum, skin brightening serum, lift and firm serum, and anti-acne serum. Okay, so now let's talk about this the main star of the show. Let's talk about this. 50 ml of hair serum retails for 850 rupees, and this also has green tea. Now basically I was talking about Redensyl and Anagen. Redensyl is basically an active ingredient which helps in reversing hair loss, and also if you are suffering from alopecia or female or male pattern baldness, this will help in reversing that, and this will give life to dormant hair follicles. So it is very important to apply this serum continuously for at least 90 days to see beneficial results. And Redensyl is plant based, this is not chemical based, so this is 100% safe for use. Now if I have to talk about the other compound, which is Anagen. Now Anagen is derived from pea sprout, which helps in stimulating new hair growth and also prolongs the life cycle of hair. This restores density for fuller and thicker looking hair. This also has zinc and green tea extract, which helps in strengthening hair. Inside this beautiful packaging, you'll see this brochure which talks about almost every ingredient this brand has. Alright, so this is the serum, and I already used this on my hair, and I'll show you a demo of this. So let's just get on with the demo first. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this comes in a glass bottle. The texture of the serum is quite runny, and this spreads quite easily. You have to apply the serum on dry and clean scalp. Just take a few drops, rub it a little bit, and massage on scalp. You have to massage gently. Take some more and massage again. Don't forget the ends. The texture of the serum is very light, and this doesn't feel oily or sticky at all. You can easily apply this overnight and sleep, because this won't make your hair feel heavy. Yeah, so after keeping it for good 4 to 5 hours, I'll just wash it off with the shampoo. So as I told you, this is very lightweight, and this washes off also very easily. Washing this serum, I used this Pilgrim sulfate free shampoo. I've been using this shampoo since I think 2 to 3 weeks, and I can see a positive difference. My scalp feels very cleansed. I'll show you the demo of this shampoo as well. You can use any shampoo, but I would advise you to use this sulfate free shampoo from Pilgrim, as this has argan oil, camellia and white lotus, and this is meant for all hair types. The lotus gives hair beautiful structure, prevents hair fall, and infuses dull hair with life. It gently washes away excess oil, dirt and grime without stripping your hair of its natural oil balance. This cleanses very gently, and hair feels so nice and cleansed. Okay, so after applying the shampoo, if you feel your hair is still looking frizzy, or if you want your hair to look and feel very soft and luscious, you can try this Pilgrim hair mask. If your hair texture is frizzy, you can also apply this hair mask from Pilgrim, and this is the argan oil hair mask, and this has white lotus and camellia. See, this looks like ice cream. This looks so good, and this has an amazing fragrance. Even the shampoo has an amazing fragrance. Like, I think this smells like lotus. Yeah. So you have to apply this on hair strands. You can avoid the scalp if you want, but you have to apply this evenly on hair strands, especially the ends. My ends get very frizzy, so I'm just sealing the moisture. You have to apply this on semi dry hair. I think I said this earlier. So you have to keep this on for good like 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. So I washed it off, and let's see how my hair looks after drying. I'm really excited. I know my hair will look very soft. So let's see how my hair looks after drying. You see? This looks nice and thick, if you can see. So these are the two extra products which you can try, apart from this serum. But I would advise you to use this serum if you're suffering from hair loss or pattern baldness, or if you feel that your the separation line, if you feel that this is broadening a little bit, you can definitely try this, and you can definitely use this on target areas of your scalp to see beneficial results. So I think you can give this a try. This is 100% safe, and also this can be used by men. This video is especially meant for men because men suffer from pattern baldness more than females, so it is more visible on men. So men can definitely try this. I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to purchase this, because there will be a quick link so that you can directly reach to the product. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.